Plaintiff Latricia Price says the defendant borrowed her car and wrecked it when she got rear-ended on the freeway. Since she neglected to get a police report, the defendant has to be held accountable, so she is suing for $3,500. Defendant Ariel Cheek says she didn't cause the crash, so she shouldn't have to pay for it.
Latricia, you are suing your friend. Why?
Yes, unfortunately, I'm still my friend of 8 years. It's sad that we're in the situation. I let her use my car last year, August.
Yeah.
I let her use it at the time because she was pregnant. I've been helping her. And she called me that night and she told me that my car was wrecked. I seen my car the next day and my car was, it was terrible. It was completely trashed. The next day we took the car to get an estimate and the estimate for the car was $7,000. Well, almost 8, like a little close to there. Yeah. And because the fact that I've been knowing her for so long, I told her that we can make a payment plan and just go in half on the cost, and that was $3,500. And from there, pretty much, we've been having a feud since then. Like as far as just trying to make an actual payment plan and just keeping our word to actual paying it. And that's my business card, so I just really need to get it like back on the road and back up.
All right, so what about that? She let you use her car?
Yes, she did let me use the vehicle. You know, I was pregnant, so I needed a car to get around.
Sure.
When I got into the accident, I was on the freeway. It was like bumper to bumper traffic. The person behind me was texting or doing whatever it is that they were doing in their car, but that they weren't paying attention to me.
So you got rear-ended?
I got rear-ended. So it's just like to a point where, you know, being that I was rear-ended, I don't feel that I was at fault.
Is there a police report?
No, so I didn't file a police report. Because at the time I didn't have my driver's license.
So you were driving without a driver's license?
Yes.
That's not good. Okay. So, but when it happened, you, I guess, came to a stop.
Yes.
You got out, you talked to the guy or woman who hit you?
Yes. So I got the driver's information. I did let them know, you know, I tried to keep it simple, but I did get their information.
You did get the name of the driver?
Yes.
You got the license plate of their car?
Yes. I mean, in the midst of the accident, I wasn't really too concerned about the car. I was 5 months pregnant, so.
Well, sure, I understand that, but you did get that information.
Yes.
Did you give that information to the plaintiff?
Yes.
You did?
Yes.
You said, okay.
I still don't even know if that situation's true.
So you never got the name of of who hit you?
I never got any information about anything
and the
at all.
license plate of who hit you?
Yeah, I never got anything.
But how did the back get hit? Was she going down the interstate backwards?
I honestly had, right now she's saying that she was rear-ended, but in the midst of it, I also heard that she backed into something, like, and this was a few months back, so I'm not sure why the story is switching out now, but it's just a lot of lies going on.
Did you back into something?
No, I did not back into anything.
That's not what you told me. And I tried to take care of it through my insurance, but she's not covered. And at the time, I really didn't know about insurance.
Do you have insurance? Oh, so you don't have insurance either?
No, I have insurance, but it was only covered for me. So at the time, when I got insurance, because this is one of my first cars, I didn't know like insurance only covers just the driver only. So I just honestly think that she just was careless.
You still to this day don't know who hit you?
I still don't know to this day who hit my car.
Everyone always asks me, what do I wear under my robe?
Get out of this court right now. Quiet!
Now that's a sneak peek. Judge Jerry, full episode, season 1, now streaming on YouTube. Does a family member owe you money? Call me. I can help. 1-833-JERRY99.
I also heard that she backed into something, like, and this was a few months back, so I'm not sure why the story is switching out now, but it's just a lot of lies going on.
You know, honestly, I feel like at this point, it's more of a matter of spite, because being friends for 8 years, this is what you decide to sue me over? Like, we've been through way more than this. So why are we here for this?
You don't take anything seriously, and that's why we're here now, because we've been friends for so long, and she doesn't take nothing serious. So we're here to try to resolve the problem. We have to take it to this level.
What was your relationship?
We had a relationship
She's like
2 years prior to us establishing friends. Like, we met in a relationship status.
Yes.
The relationship did not work out, but when I met her, I had just lost my mother, so it was kind of like I got attached to her kind of thing, and after the relationship didn't work out, we were still
We're
very
just
Okay,
like
good
so it
family
was
after
romantic
that.
in the beginning, but then
Yes.
it's
So
okay.
I feel like, it's almost spiteful. Like, you're really 8 years and this is what you want to do? Like,
No, it's just.
Are you upset that you broke up? I mean, is there anything to that?
Oh no,
motive?
that's not the case at all.
like I just feel she was just mad that, like I said, I was
Okay.
pregnant and
At this point, she's
relationship
all over the
work.
place.
It's just a lot.
Okay, so I'm going to conclude it is more probable than not that somebody rammed her from behind.
Okay.
So I see that, and I see the damage, and I also see that you're not asking her for the whole.
Yeah, I'm still
amount.
working with her. I'm still. Yeah.
You're saying half. You should be suing the person that hit your car. That's the one who is responsible.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm not saying you don't have a case, but your case is against the party that hit your car, not
Right.
her, because she didn't cause the accident.
I would have probably took that route, but because I got lack of information, I didn't get anything. I couldn't go after the
You
person.
still, to this day, don't know who hit you.
I still don't know to this day who hit my car, and it's been a
Okay,
year.
this is where your negligence comes in, is you had to have made sure, and you should still have a record of it, of who hit you, so that she can sue the right. If you borrowed her car and something happened to it, which you're saying wasn't your fault, and I'm willing to go with that,
Okay.
but you then have to give her the information, particularly since it's her car, so she can recover, because you're costing her a lot of money now. Not because you got into the accident, you're costing her a lot of money because you haven't told her who she can sue. Two things: you let someone drive without a driver's license, which wasn't responsible.
And I didn't
But-
even know about that. But
well,
okay.
before you let someone drive, you
I need to make sure.
Yes.
Okay.
And she didn't have insurance, much less you didn't have insurance.
No, I had insurance, full insurance.
But not
Yeah,
if
not for
someone
another
else
driver.
driving.
Correct.
Case dismissed. Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your child okay?
Yeah, he's fine.
Good.
Thank you.
I mean, that was the bigger issue, that
Exactly.
that you didn't get hurt. Okay, good.
We've been through way more than this, so I hope that this is something that we can kind of just overcome now that this has kind of been resolved in a sense.
I really feel like I should have received everything, especially because I didn't sue for the whole $7,500, or really almost $8,000. So I'm just not happy with the verdict at all.
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. For more Judge Jerry, click here. For more Jerry Springer, click here.